Hello everyone, this is David from Grow and Eat This. It's Tuesday, June 7th. Checked the mailbox this morning, and sometime really late, the mailman came to visit me, and he brought me from So True Seeds. This has got to be my sweet potato plants. 3 kinds of sweet potatoes I ordered. All 3 I have never grown before. I got some white sweet potato plants, and the most popular type that's grown in North Carolina, and I forget what the other one was, but we're going to open this up, see what we have in here. This is like major exciting. So that's going to give me a whopping 5 kinds of sweet potatoes. There's a Bayou Belle sweet potato, 6 slips, organic, Covington sweet potatoes, and white bonita sweet potatoes. The exciting part is that from So True Seeds I could order just 6 slips. You know what my garden looks like. It's small. I don't have any room to put 20 of this and 20 of that. It'll be hard enough, in addition to the 2 kinds of sweet potatoes I already grow, to come up with room for 3 more. So obviously that means the red potatoes and the Yukons will be coming out. I have to get them picked because those are the containers I want these guys going in. So here's what you get. Wow, hey, you know, these look pretty good. Look at that. So there they are, labeled, very nicely labeled. Nice big looking slips, packed in a little bit of dirt, peat moss, something or other, keep them wet. These look really good. Additionally, plant your slips immediately, give them a nice drink of water. If you can't, put the stems in water like they were a bouquet of flowers. So I can't plant them right this minute. It's early in the morning, so we're going to put them in some water. Alright, I've scrounged up 3 containers here, and I'm going to take these out of their little wrappers. I'm going to just leave the paper on them. This will be the 3rd one. Don't need the rubber bands. So there's the Bayou Belle. There are the white bonita. Boy, I've been working hard to come up with the white sweet potato in a reasonable number of slips. And then the Covington. Need to add a little more water to these 2. These could be soaking up some water, and later on today I'll get them planted. So it is definitely sweet potato time, and I'm happy with what I've gotten from So True Seeds. I got 6 organic slips of 3 different kinds. As cheap as I am, if I bought them, the price was reasonable. They came nice in the mail, and they told me they would be shipping to me this week. Good deal. Thank you very much, So True Seeds. So if you're looking for small quantities, I think they had 8 or 9 kinds of sweet potatoes. Don't know if they still do, but they did at the right time. They're in Asheville, North Carolina. Beautiful place to go visit. This is David, Grow and Eat This. We are really into the sweet potato season. Thank you for watching. As a last little add-on at this stage, you get a little quickie of what to do with them when they come in, you know, and how to let them know if they're in terrible shape. And then you get a nice. This is I'm going to sit down and read this. Been growing sweet potatoes for years, but you never know where you're going to get some tips. Here's a nice sweet potato info and planting guide. 2 pages. More information at sowtrueseed.com. I'm very pleased. This will looks like we're going to have us 5 kinds of sweet potatoes this year. We do love our sweet potatoes.